How to disable fast startup in Windows 11. So if you want to disable fast startup in Windows 11, first of all, simply open up Control Panel on your Windows. Then from here, you want to simply go to Hardware and Sound. From Hardware and Sound, you want to simply go to Power Options. From Power Options on the top left, simply go to Choose what the power buttons do. Now, when you go to choose what the power buttons do, if you look under this shutdown settings, you'll find turn on fast startup. So this helps start your PC faster after shutdown. So you want to make sure to uncheck it. And if it is grayed out, then just click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Then now you'll be able to go ahead and then turn this off. And then next time all of your apps will get closed properly, and then the fast startup will also get disabled. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.